Hi friends, in this video we'll show you what a forecast for your desired lottery looks like and how to use it. In the picture, about 6 megabytes GPG format, you can see all forecasts for each ball. Let's take a closer look at the forecast for the first Euro jackpot lottery ball. At the top left, you see the name and date of the last draw that participated in the calculation of our algorithm. Your task is to look at the ball 1, graph 1, and select the point where you think the graph will move. In order to do this, look at how this graph has behaved in the past, which figures occur more or at which less, and how the transition from one figure to another occurs. And only after that choose the green or red point. After that, look at the ball 1, graph 2, and make your choice the same way. When you have chosen your points, green and red, we look at the table on the left, which shows all the possible choices of points. There are only 4, and therefore every fourth player ticket will be with the correct set of numbers for that ball. But you also need to look at the graph to the left of the table. This is the original graph of all the balls in your lottery. Each draw is ordered in represented order of the balls drawn, and this is very important. With this order, we see the tunnels in which the balls move. For example, the first ball moves from 1 to 12 in 99% of its history and only very rarely goes outside that range. It should also be noted that in most cases the tunnels affect each other. If the balls 3, 4, 5 went up in the last draw, in the next draw they will all go down together and give balls 1 and 2 with a bit of pressure. And now, when you select numbers from the table, you realize that ball 1 with a 99% probability will go down, and its possible values in the next draw will be less than 7. It is only now when you put the number of the first ball on the ticket. Similarly, you choose numbers for the other balls using their graph. It is very convenient to form variations of your tickets using this approach. In the picture, you see the number of the ball, the points you have chosen, and underneath them, the numbers you have chosen. Tickets are formed and you can buy them. We wish everyone victories in their favorite lotteries. Play in syndicates, with family and friends, and you'll have an even better chance of winning the jackpot.